At EB, we believe that, like students, learning comes in many different forms. Every interaction and space our kids occupy provides an opportunity for learning. While the classroom remains the core of the educational experience for an EB students, experiential learning, or learning by doing, vastly enriches their journey by engaging students in hands-on experiences and reflection, opening them up to the diverse and interconnected world around them.
My favorite part about Catalina was how all the activities were very inclusive because they all included some sort of teamwork, like while we were kayaking, we had partners that we could work with. And I also really love the labs that we did at Catalina because we were able to learn about some of the animals and the algae that grew there at Catalina. And while we were snorkeling, we were able to identify some of those, and I think that was my favorite part about Catalina.
This year's Fund for the Future will allow every student to participate in experiential learning activities, regardless of circumstance. When families know that costs for overnight trips will be covered, they don't have to worry about their child missing out on participating fully. When students see special guests who look and sound like them, they can realize the richness of a world we belong to and envision a new opportunity they may never have dreamed of before.
La venue d'auteurs, autrices comme Oriane Lallemand est vraiment quelque chose de très important pour l'école, pour IBI. Ça a été un événement très très enrichissant, les enfants ont énormément appris, ils ont réussi à mettre un visage derrière les histoires du loup qu'un certain nombre connaissaient déjà. Ils avaient participé à faire des petits masques avec des petites oreilles du loup, et elle aussi, elle avait amené dans ses bagages le loup, le côté magique, avec des petites marionnettes, avec ses petits bagages à lui aussi. Les venues comme ça d'auteurs ou autrices de France, c'est quelque chose de très important parce que comme ça au moins les enfants peuvent se connecter et mettre un visage, être attachés à la culture française, à la langue, aux histoires qu'ils ont l'occasion de lire avec leurs parents ou ici à l'école. C'est vraiment une connexion très importante. Donc la venue de ces auteurs ou autrices, c'est quelque chose qui est vraiment fondamental et qui apporte énormément aux enfants de IBI.
Experiential learning outside of the classroom is an essential part of the educational experience and something that I really value. As a science teacher, I love to get students into the natural world and get them to have direct experience with the things that we're talking about in the classroom. And so this is valuable for all students. For everyone, they need to have direct experience with the things that they're learning about. But even more so for those that struggle in the classroom, these getting outside of the classroom, having direct experience, having field trips can be a hugely impactful thing for them and very, very valuable, and gives some balance to their educational experience that allows them to offset a little bit of what can be a challenging environment in the classroom.
By giving for the Fund for the Future, you are directly creating opportunities that enrich our student academic journey. Thank you very much for your support. Merci beaucoup.
Merci.
Merci.
Thank you so much.
Merci beaucoup.
Merci.
Merci.